Hey, it's Steve Kiles, and I wanted to show you something that's helped me and my branch close even more loans without doing any more of the hard work. So, all the hard activity like getting the leads and spending the money and building the relationships, one of the things I found is we can make even more money with a few small tweaks. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Is in my branch and with my loan officers, one of the things we looked at was if I've got 40 leads that are coming in, how do I make more money? And what we heard in the industry was this: in order to make more money, what do you have to do? Get more leads. And what I'll tell you is we have found that that's really a half truth, because here's what we're doing is if we get 40 leads and we close 6 transactions, we're closing at a 15% conversion rate. Listen, that's a good rate, but instead of getting more leads, what if we could increase our conversion from 15% to say 25% with a simple script and a little bit of structure? What does that do? It takes us from 6 transactions to 10 transactions, and we didn't spend any more money, nor did we go out and get more leads. So here's the neat thing is, when you get here, what if you can increase your conversion to 35%? I know most people may say, well, how do you do that? It's a unicorn. But with a good mix of 30% refi, 70% purchase, it's actually very attainable to get to this 35% conversion. And here's what's amazing. 6 turns into 14. And when you do the math, what does it really mean? More money in your pocket. Because if you're doing $2,000 per loan, let's say you're making an average of about $2,000. Listen, if you're closing 6, that's a great business. So, man, you've done it right, you're doing it well. But if you can increase your conversion to 10, you go from making $12,000 a month to $20,000. And I don't know about you, but every $8,000 helps. Now, here's what's really cool. When you get good and dialed in and just using this one simple script, you can go from 10 closings to 14. We're talking about $28,000 a month. So a difference of $12,000 to $28,000, $16,000 by implementing one script. And here's what I want to do. I want to give it to you. So look, if you'll click below and just tell us where to send it, I'd love to send you the script that's helping my team close even more loans with less or the same leads. And so, hey, give us your name, your phone number, your email, and also do this. Put your cell phone in there, because we want to make sure the email doesn't go to a folder or another, just you don't get it. We want to make sure that you get it in a text. That way we can get this to you. And hey, it's my gift to you. So I'll see you on the inside.